7:38 right now. We're trying to get the kids out of the house on time to go to the water park. Let's see if we can do it. We need to leave by 8:40. Are out of the house on time somehow. What time is it right now?
8:33.
8:33. We did it, except we have to, of course, make a last minute stop at Walmart for swim diapers.
And I forgot to shave.
Oh my God. We are here in the water park. Here's baby Kylan. Me and the boys are over here at the little toddler area. And Tyler and Aviana went to ride big slides. Kylan! Hi, honey! Kylan's day at the water park. Lunchtime. What did you have to eat?
Chicken strips.
Were they yummy? And what else? What do you got there?
Drink.
What is it?
I don't know.
A blue icy? Yeah. We had cheeseburgers. Sis had pizza, chicken strips. It was pretty good, but the chicken strips and the pizza were probably part of the best. Oh, we got like
Lazy river after lunch. Oh yeah. Lincoln! You're on YouTube, bro. Where are we at? Where are we at?
He's struggling with his float.
My baby! No, no!
Baby Kyle. We got her slow. Aviana! Jeez. We don't want to see this kid when she gets her license. Me and baby Kylan are just chilling out here in the grandstands. Hey, baby Kylan. Who's gonna win? He's into it. He's loving it. What are you over here crying about? I feel you. I'm ready to go home, bud. I'm ready for a Dutch Bros.
We just got back into Buckeye. It's like probably 6 o'clock.
6:06.
6:06. The truck clock is broke.
It's not broke. I disconnected the battery, so it restarted and I just haven't adjusted it yet.
Okay, well, it's not right. We just stopped at Dutch Bros. The kids are sleeping. Everybody is absolutely just pooped. It's at least 1,000,000 degrees here in the Phoenix area. So we stopped to get refreshing energy drinks from Dutch Bros. What did you get, babe?
Dino egg.
Dino egg, and what else?
If you don't know what Dutch Bros is, and you're in a state that, and you happen to be going to a state that has one, you need to stop there. Good blended coffees. Blended like a shake, but it's a coffee.
Dutch Bros is our favorite. Yeah, it's the best. And I got the Paradise Matcha Lemonade. I love matcha if you like matcha. This actually, it doesn't really have that much of a matcha taste.
No.
Yeah, he hates matcha.
It tastes like, if you don't know what matcha is, it tastes like a fresh cut Midwest lawn.
Yeah, tastes like dirt. But this doesn't. It doesn't really have a big matcha taste. Anyways, we're gonna go home and hang out, chill, maybe in the pool or something, and relax after that very eventful day. Altogether though, I would say Golfland Sunsplash was a success. I think it's a great spot for families in anywhere in the Phoenix area. Like, it was worth a drive. It was almost an hour for us, and well worth it.
The lines weren't that long either, right?
No, the lines were not. No, the lines were crazy actually. Like, they have like 4 water slides that are the tubes, and you literally, we would just walk straight up and get right on the slide. There were like the bigger slides, like the really good ones, popular ones, the lines were, there was a line, but they weren't, it wasn't too bad.
The long lines weren't even long.
Exactly, yeah. They had a really good toddler and little kid play area, wave pool, lazy river, obviously all of that. Go-karts. Yeah, it's a good spot, I would say, in the Phoenix area. Although it's just really hot right now.
That's the best time to go.
Yeah, I guess. That's when you go to a water park. Oh, the only thing I would say is it wasn't all that stroller friendly. So there were stairs, like even just to get over to the toddler and kids area, you had to cross over stairs. So we had to like constantly pick up our stroller and then carry it across there. So it's not the most stroller friendly, but it wasn't that big of an inconvenience, I guess, for us. You could, yeah. Okay, that's all. That's a good day.
Goodbye!